Hello friends! Welcome to my kitchen. I am Lily. Today we learn 50 kitchen words together. Please listen and repeat with me.
We will use very simple sentences. It is so easy to learn English when we cook. Are you ready? Let's find our first word.
I open the refrigerator. I open the refrigerator. I see the freezer. I see the freezer. I use the oven. I use the oven. I turn on the stove. I turn on the stove. I use the microwave. I use the microwave. I fill the dishwasher. I fill the dishwasher. I stand at the sink. I stand at the sink. I turn the faucet. I turn the faucet. I hold the frying pan. I hold the frying pan. I use the saucepan. I use the saucepan. I see the big stock pot. I see the big stock pot. I clean the baking sheet. I clean the baking sheet. I carry the casserole dish. I carry the casserole dish. I lift the lid. I lift the lid. I use the cutting board. I use the cutting board. I wash the colander. I wash the colander. I hold the mixing bowl. I hold the mixing bowl. I use the toaster. I use the toaster. I use the spatula. I use the spatula. I hold the whisk. I hold the whisk. I grab the ladle. I grab the ladle. I use the tongs. I use tongs. I hold the peeler. I hold the peeler. I use the grater. I use the grater. I hold the rolling pin. I hold the rolling pin. I grab the can opener. I grab the can opener. I fill the measuring cup. I fill the measuring cup. I see the chef's knife. I see the chef's knife. I hold the plate. I hold the plate. I see the bowl. I see the bowl. I set the silverware. I set the silverware. I use the fork. I use the fork. I grab the spoon. I grab the spoon. I hold the knife. I hold the knife. I drink from the mug. I drink from the mug. I fill the glass. I fill the glass. I fold the napkin. I fold the napkin. I pour from the pitcher. I pour from the pitcher. I chop the celery. I chop the celery. I slice the bread. I slice the bread. I dice the onion. I dice the onion. I boil the water. I boil the water. I simmer the soup. I simmer the soup. I sauté the mushrooms. I sauté the mushrooms. I bake the cookies. I bake cookies. I whisk the cream. I whisk the cream. I peel the potato. I peel the potato. I drain the pasta. I drain the pasta.
You are a star! You learned so many words today. I am so proud of you. Let's keep learning together every single day.
Do you like our lesson? Please click the subscribe button and the bell. Join our English family for more fun videos. It is time to go now. Thank you for visiting my kitchen. Have a wonderful day. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.